Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1967 Pontiac Firebird 400 V8 automatic, blue exterior, navy blue interior, white convertible top. Just a really nice Pontiac here. It is documented with a PHS as a 400. It is obviously, as I said, blue. Does have the Krieger chrome wheels on it. We'll still see disc brakes in the front and drum in the back. It does have power brakes, power steering, factory AC, which makes this car very unique and nice feature to have. But as we look over this car, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. I won't go through every single car, but just show you a little bit of what we have. About 80% of the cars are domestic classic cars. The other 20% are exotic, luxury, and or European. If you're not in Florida, you see something you like, or you're interested in this Firebird, please don't hesitate to still give us a call or visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Our number also is 941-355-1955, as we do ship worldwide. Last year we shipped to over 19 US states and 9 countries around the world, so we can get you your dream car wherever you may be. If you have finance needs, we are able to finance through classic car partners that we utilize. So visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We do have a finance tab on there. You can fill out a finance app if you are looking to finance your dream vehicle. Again, the paint is in very good condition. There's a couple small blemishes. Now there's one up on the hood here. As you can see, just a couple, kind of hard to, there you go. You can see just a couple small little blemishes on the paint. Overall in very good condition for this 1967 Pontiac Firebird. A lot of new items on the vehicle. It's got a new radiator, new water pump, new starter, new alternator, new battery as well. And again, there's many more items listed. I believe it has new air shocks on the rear, so you can see that the rear is a little bit higher, but again, fully adjusted with the air shocks. Again, we have a full description of the vehicle on our website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. And if you'd like to see additional pictures, as I mentioned, you can visit the website as well. We do have it outside, as it is difficult to see the interior here, but the pictures on the website, certainly look at that. We will go ahead and show you that it is a cold start. Grab the headers here so you can see it is a cold start, and it will be a cold start because here in Florida last night we did have a, not cold for most of the country, but cold for Florida. I believe the low was 37 last night, so go ahead and get this fired up. There we go. Again, runs well. Again, very difficult to see with the video. I do apologize for the darkness, but it does have a aftermarket radio. There's the automatic. Again, power windows. As I mentioned, you will see better pictures of the vehicle outside on the website. Take you back, let you hear the exhaust. There's that nice cool exhaust. Again, no smoke or anything coming out of the back, no fluids, any condensation. Engine sounds good. Again, it is cold, so we won't go crazy, but let's just, here's just a little bit here. Can we get it? Engine sounds fantastic. Just a nice vehicle here. 1967 Pontiac Firebird 400 V8, navy interior, white top, blue exterior. Again, fully documented PHS. Got the Traeger chrome wheels on it. Raised white letter, BF Goodrich. Just a nice, well done car if you're looking for a driver to go to car show with. As I mentioned, we do offer financing and shipping wherever you may be in the world. We can get you your car. Go ahead and rev it up just a little bit here. Again, didn't want to rev it too much as it is cold. Need to let it warm up before you really rev an engine. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Appreciate you joining in today. If you're looking for further content of additional vehicles come in, please subscribe below. Thank you very much.